So good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are doing well. So before I begin today's session, can anyone give me the idea what we discussed last time? What was the discussion last time? Are we done with the program number 1, 2 and 3? Yes or no?
મેમ બેઝ પ્રોગ્રામ હતા લાસ્ટ કેલ્ક્યુલેટર વાળો હતો.
Acha, calculator. And one was the simple first program, right? First GTU program, right?
યસ મેમ.
Okay. So today we'll go ahead in the practical list. So let me show you the code for that. So now we have to work on an equation solution, which is like here, do know that, right? There are certain equations and which can be used for finding the values of x and y, right? So if we talk about today's problem is about finding the solution of a given equation, and from that you have to find value of x and y. And we know that in mathematics we have learned that there are certain rules and certain methods, and in current problem we are going to use assume the Cramer's rule to solve the equation, right? And if we recall the Cramer's rule, what we have is we right now what we have to do, let us focus on the problem. The problem says, this is the GTU experiment list program, which says write a program that solves the following equation and displays the value of x and y, right? And the equations given are 3.4x plus 50.2y equal to 44.5, and the second equation which is given is 2.1x plus 0.55y equal to 5.9. And what we have to assume is, we have to assume that we are going to use the Cramer's rule to solve the equation. And what is the equation? Equation is, if we want to go with the values of finding x and y, right, we will find it with the help of the equation given here. Just a second, I guess I did something wrong in a copy paste. So the equation is here. Can you see this? Ax plus by equal to e and ax plus cy equal to d, right? And from that, if we make the x as a main, so what will be the equation solution? What will be the equation solution? This is that rule, right? So x would be your ED minus BF divided by AD minus BC, and y will be AF minus EC divided by AD minus BC. And if you look at here, the values which are given, this is our A, right? Because we have to assume that equation is AX plus BY equal to E. So this 3.4 is my A, 50.2 is my B, 4.5 is my E, 2.1 is my C, 0.55 is my Y, and 5.9 is F. And if I want to display the values of equation of the variables x and y, I have to use the Cramer's equation, which is x is equal to ED minus BF whole divided by AD minus BC, and y is equal to AF minus EC whole divided by ED minus BC, right? So can anyone tell me how we'll solve this problem? How we'll write a Java program for this? Let us discuss the steps to solve this. What should be the step? Step number 1, what we need? How many variables we'll need? And what would be the data type? How many? There could be answer in a point, right? So I have certain values in a float and other values also in the float. It could be x and y could be in float also. So float into float multiplication will be given as an answer double. So it is better to take everything in double, right? So we'll declare the double variables. How many variables we required? How many variables are required? Can you look at the equation and tell me? General equation is given. Guys, I'm asking you question. You're getting the question or you are not understanding? Should I repeat the things?
Ma'am, please repeat.
You have to find value of x and y for the given equation. So 1 and 2 are the equation given there. The general equation is ax plus by is equal to e and cx plus dy is equal to f. So from that equation, if I want to find x, the equations to find the x and y are given, right? Are given. So if I want to implement the program which will execute this equation, how I have to go with? What is the step? So step number 1, first we are deciding the variables. So tell me how to declare. I said we will take double type of data type. So what will be requirement? Double A, B, C, D, E, F, and X and Y. These are the required variable, right? These are the required variables. So if I am taking this equation and I'm not taking input from the user, I'm directly working upon the given values. So I'll directly assign A is equal to 3.4. So what I have done is I have taken a public class practical 2, and in that we have taken public static void main, and we have just simply given a message given system of equation, and the equation is given in problem. This is given. We are taking the variable. As I said, we need to take double because two float value we are going to multiply. For example, here E multiplies by D. So answer would be in a float. So that's why, sorry, double. Two float multiplication. It means two bytes, which may multiplication may require the 4 bytes, which is the hard data type. So that's why we are taking everything in a double. So we have taken double. From the equation, we can find that A is equal to 3.4, B is equal to 50.2, C is equal to 2.1, D is equal to 0.55, E is equal to 44.5, and F is equal to 5.9, right? And we require the output variable X and Y. So here is the mathematical equation from which we will calculate the value of X and Y, right? As per the Cramer's rule, the X can be found by X is equal to ED minus BF. The entire answer has to be divided by AD minus BC. Similar way, Y value can be found by the equation AF minus EC whole divided by AD minus BC, right? And finally, these values, the solution of the system, that is X and Y, we are displaying. Is it clear? So over here, X and Y are output variable and A, B, C, D, E, F are input variables, right? So either we can go take it using scanner class and next double, but as we have to go for the solution of given equation, so directly we can assign. You read this problem definition, right? It says that for the following, so that's why we are directly taking the values. Is it clear? Is it clear, everybody? Okay.
Yes,
so that's
ma'am.
your program number 2. Program 1, I guess we did last time. What was the program 1? You have to just simply display. You have to write a Java program which says, which displays, welcome to Java, learning Java now and programming is fun. So how we can do it? We have to just take a class. We will take a public class. We'll take a public class, right? And we'll give a class name, and then we will write, here we'll write practical 1, public class practical 1, then public static void main, and in system.out.println, we are just printing, welcome to Java, learning Java now, and programming is fun. Okay, this is your practical 1. Cramer's rule is your experiment 2. And if I talk about experiment 3, so experiment 3 says, write a Java program which reads a number in a meters and converts it into feet. and display the result. Meter into fit, right? So there is always a standard equation. So to find a meter into, to convert meter into fit, we have the equation that is meter is equal to fit multiplied by 3.28084. This is the standard equation, right? So what we will do is we will ask user to enter the length in meter, right? But before that, we have to take a public class practical 3. Inside public static void main string args, we are going to write the logic. We have to take input and fit, meter. If we are taking the input, we have to use any one of the 3 specified methods, that is scanner class, console, and buffered reader. So we are going with scanner. So I'm writing import java util.scanner, right? And then finally we are taking the length in meter. So we have returned scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in. As we can have the answer in the point, so we are taking double x, where x is my feet, and we are writing the scanner object input dot next double, and now we are writing the values in the meter, right? So this is the value taken in the meter, and this is the answer which will be in feet, right? So here I'm writing feet. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Anyone having any question, any doubt up till now? Finally, we are displaying the answer, whatever is coming in the solution. Fine. So let us run one by one. This is practical 1. Right, practical 1 is to give a simple message. Welcome to Java and learning Java now. Programming is fun. So what we will do, first we will run it. So let us say CMD. Right? So first I have to compile the program. How we will compile? What is the command to compile the program? What should I write? Anyone? I want to compile first program. So I have to use the command Java C. S7, Devarsh, Nirjar, and Om are saying. So I'm writing Java C. And I write program practical1 dot Java. If there is no error, it will go to the next line, as you can see. And now to run, what command I should give? What command should I give? Java and the file name. Make sure you are not writing the extension. We have to just write the program name, no extension. Okay, so this is the output of the first program. Welcome to Java, learning Java now, and programming is fun. So once you are done with this, you have to go with the second practical. What was the second practical? We said we have to solve the equation using Cramer's rule, right? So we have taken A, B, C, D, E, F variables and the X, Y in double, right? And we have directly assigned the value given in the equation, right? And then we are displaying the values of X and Y using the system.out.println, right? So this is the output of that program. And if you recall, just before a few minutes, we had a discussion regarding your practical 3, where the input is being taken in the meter and we are converting it to fit. So this is my practical 3, right? We're taking meter and we'll convert it into fit, right? So let me run that. right? Oh, I forgot to change here. It's not X. Now I have changed it to meter. Okay. Right? And I'll write bracket 3. It says enter in meter. I enter 4 and it is giving me 13.12336. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Right? What we are doing today is we are implementing practical number 1, 2, and 3 from the GTU practical list. So I'm pasting the definition, problem definition in the chat box. Everyone, I hope you have installed and run the very first program, which was the practice program, calculator program and all. So you can start working on the practical list now. Make sure you are giving proper name the way I have given practical 1, practical 2, that way, so that it will be easy for you to remember the things, right? So everyone start writing the programs. I'm here. Meanwhile, I'll ask other students to show me the last time's work. So all the practical definitions I have pasted in the chat box. So you people can start working on that. Everyone, start programming. Okay, for this program, I'm giving you the equation also. So everyone, start working. Okay, all 3 practicals you need to write. Yeah, Paras, what issue you have? Yeah, share your screen. So anybody having any programming issues or something, they can share their screen. I'm here to help you out. Meanwhile, others whose system is working fine, look at the chat. I have given the problem definition and start implementing. You have to show me the output. I'll ask you to share your screen. Right? So go ahead. And Paras, I'm waiting for your screen share. So I just stop my screen share and Paras, share your screen. Yeah, Paras, I got your screen. So minimize and show me your problem. You can unmute yourself.
મેમ મેં પ્રેક્ટિકલ આ પહેલું રહ્યું એ બનાવી છે. પ્રેક્ટિકલ બરોબર જ છે ને કમ્પાઇલ પણ થઈ જાય છે.
બેટા મને ખાલી મીટિંગ સ્ક્રીન જ દેખાય છે. મિનિમાઇઝ કરીને રન કરો છો એ દેખાડો. Have you shared the entire screen?
ક્યાંથી થશે મને?
Do one thing. Stop presenting. હા, હવે ફરી શેર કરો. You have to click on present now અને એમાં entire screen એવું ઓપ્શન હશે.
હા, આવી.
હા. હવે ઉપર પાછું સિલેક્ટ કરવું પડશે entire screen એવું. 2 વાર entire screen select કરવાનું. And then click on allow. Yeah, I got your screen now. Okay, so now I can see, okay, fine. Your program is compiled. Now run it. Java pract 1. Okay. Could not find the main class. Okay, everybody focus on this. I said chapter number 1 was having the errors solving also as a problem discussion. And I said we will do it gradually in the lab, right? So right now Paras is having an error that could not find or load the main class pract 1. Usually Paras, this type of problem occurs whenever class name and file name are not matching. So go to the folder desktop. Right? What is your file name? What is your file name? pract1. Open that file. Your pract1, public class pract1. Is the P capital?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Close it. And from where you are running this? Close this. What is the file path? It's somewhere on desktop. Where is it? I could not see it properly. Just a second. Let me see from my mobile. From where you are running this? Is this on
ડેસ્કટોપ
desktop?
ડેસ્કટોપ ઉપર મેડમ.
But right now you are not in desktop. Go to desktop. Side માં જો panel માં side માં panel છે
એક
ત્યાં.
પહેલેથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર.
Close this windows. Now, okay, go there. Up, write down CMD. Java C. Pract 1.java. Enter. Java Pract 1. Okay. Do you have GRE installed properly? Show me the installation of Java. You have to go to Program Files, Java folder. GRE is not there.
મેમ મેં જેડીકે લેટેસ્ટ હતું એ ઇન્સ્ટોલ કર્યું.
Otherwise, program files and you have only
પરફેક્ટ લોડ
JDK.
થઈ જાય છે. જાવા સી કરીએ.
Okay. Do one thing. Create a new program. Let me see it. Like anything is not. Have you shared the path? Of course, you would have
હા
shared.
મેમ.
Shared કર્યો જ હશે.
હા
Go to that desktop, Java folder. Create a new file. Right click. New text. Text document. Okay. Right. Rename it. Rename. Hello. Okay. Remove text. .txt ની જગ્યાએ .java करो. Open. Write on public class space hello, whereas is capital. Okay. Public static void main. બધા પ્રોગ્રામમાં આવું થાય છે.
હા મેડમ.
Parenthesis as capital string. Okay. Now write down the body. Hello. Okay, you can give the hello message. Save and close. It's okay. Save and go to the folder. Java C H is capital. Sys S રહી ગયો. SYS sys. Hello વાળા પ્રોગ્રામમાં SYS. Save, Control S.
સેમ એરર આવે.
I suggest Paras uninstall and install it again. Download a fresh copy.
લેટેસ્ટ
Okay.
નાખું ને મેડમ.
હા કોઈ બી ચાલશે. 8 નાખો તો વધારે સારું because કે I will ask you to install NetBeans 8. તો NetBeans 8 સાથે JDK 8 વધારે સારું ચાલે છે. Otherwise you'll have the compatibility issues.
Okay.
Okay, so right now you do one thing. You just note the programs which you have to do. Once the installation is done, you can complete today's work by today or within this week only, so that next week માં તો પાછળ ન રહી જાય. Okay?
Madam.
Okay. Anybody else? Uh, what about others? Are you doing the program? Darshit Jaladi. Darshit, what is your status? What you are doing? Darshit, you have to. Oh, what has happened? My screen share has gone. Are you host now? Who shared the screen just before few minutes? Okay, guys, be here. Like I have to again. Yes, Darshit, what is your status? Are you listening me, Darshit? Yeah, tell me what is your status, what you are doing right now. So everyone, after doing practical 1, everybody focus on practical 2. Darshit, your status, I'm waiting for your answer. That's fine, but what you are doing right now? તો શું કરે છે? કોડિંગ કરે છે or program you are running? What is your status? Darshit, have you replied? Devarsh and Jai Manik. Devarsh and Jai Manik. What you are doing? Practical 1, 2, 3. What is your status? 1 is done, second, doing second, or both are done? Devarsh, first and second are done. Okay. So after, you can share your screen. Share your screen and let me see. Jai, that's not an excuse. I have said you earlier only that we have online Java compilers. You can do it from your mobile. If you can attend the meeting, then you can do that coding also. Online Java compiler is there. Search for it and type program in that. Don't give excuses, guys. Yeah, I can see your screen. Okay, good. Run it. Okay, fine. Okay, done. And what about practical 1? Is it done? Show me the code. Yeah, you have to give the exact message because you are going to submit this tutorial, right? So use the same message, whatever is there in the problem definition. Okay, extra programs have you done? Like I see added.java. So you can show me added.java also. Whatever extra work you have done. Okay. So this is like you are working upon the calculator. Is it working fine? You can
Yes,
run and
ma'am.
okay, okay, fine. So just complete your second program. Okay, Devarsh is there, right? Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I ask Divya and Mansi. Divya and Mansi. I appreciate the efforts. Good, Devarsh. Keep it up. Keep on learning. Divya and Mansi, what is your status? Guys, at least be
Ma'am,
fast in giving answer, okay? Because I have 20 students and I have only 1 hour.
મેમ ફર્સ્ટ થઈ ગયો છે સેકન્ડ કરું છું પ્રેક્ટિસ.
Okay, make it little fast, okay?
ઓકે મેમ.
What about Divya?
મેમ મારે તો ઈશ્યુ આવે છે રન કરું છું ને ત્યારે.
Karo jo screen share. Share your screen. I'm waiting for Divya's screen share. Divya, are you sharing your screen?
યસ મેમ.
Okay. If you have issue in sharing screen, Divya,
યસ મેમ.
Divya,
યસ મેમ.
હા બેટા સ્ક્રીન શેર કરો છો નથી થતી શું પ્રોબ્લેમ છે કઈ
મેમ નથી થતી શેર સ્ક્રીન કરું છું પછી એન્ટાયર શેર આપું છું ને તો નથી થતું પછી
ઉપર
શેર ને
અલ્લાવ આપવું
કેન્સલ
પડશે
આવે છે.
ઉપર અલ્લાવ આપવું પડશે આપો છો ઉપર અલ્લાવ
મેમ એવો ઓપ્શન આવતો જ નથી.
okay you can send me your photo in the WhatsApp like what is going on in your screen okay
ઓકે મેમ.
Mansi Parmar is doing and Mihir Gandhi and Nirjar
મેમ સેકન્ડ પ્રોગ્રામ હજી કરીએ છીએ.
Nirjar
હેલો મેમ.
હા Mihir
મેમ સેકન્ડ પ્રોગ્રામ કરું છું હજી.
મેમ સેકન્ડ
Okay.
કરીએ છીએ હજી.
okay
Hello, hello, ma'am.
Ye- yes yes Savan
Ma'am, I completed all program. Can I see you?
yeah you can show me just share your screen Okay, so if you are done with all three programs, one by one, you can share your screen and just show me the things going on. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I can see your screen. Okay, good. This is practical 2. Okay. Yeah, I can see the output of, I guess in terminal you have output of, yeah, second and third both. Okay, good, good. Where is your first practical? And have you done any extra practice?
Yes, ma'am.
You can show me.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah, take your time, no worries.
Ma'am, આ પ્રોગ્રામમાં 1 minute.
We will not discuss now. Hold on.
Oh, oh, oh,
At least you
okay,
chapter. I'll guide you
okay,
time. And even if you want in a off time, you can ask this guidance, okay? Because
okay,
બીજા બધા બીજું કરે છે. So, like you can ask me, no worries if you are learning in advance, but in a extra time.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. So Kelsey and all three programs. So that's good. Good, good. Okay, so who is ready next for the screen share? If you're done with your programs, you can share. Otherwise, yeah, Om Joshi, go ahead and share your screen. Yeah, Om, I can see your screen. Anyone is ready with the screen share? Guys, are you done? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are focusing on one more program. You can see on the screen. Let me share the screen. And this is based on the discussion which we had in our last lecture, right? So we know that to take an character in input, which type of data type we will take? Which type of data type we will take? No, string is for character array. But if we want to If we want to go with only one character, then we'll take the character only. Okay. So what we will do is look at the practical 6. What it says? Practical 6 says, write a program that prompts user to enter a letter and check whether the letter is vowel or consonant. Are you getting the definition? I'm typing in the chat box. Which says, write a program that prompts user to enter a letter and check whether a letter is vowel or consonant. How can we check it? Vowel or consonant checking? Can anyone give me the idea? If else, exactly, very good. So what would be the if condition? Now, which are the vowels? Which are the vowels we have? We are going to work on vowels and consonants, right? So which are the vowels? Can anyone give me the idea? So take character CH, right? Yeah, A, E, I, O, U. Very good. So what will be the if condition? What will be the if condition? Help me to write down the if condition. What I have to write? If I have taken input in a CH, what will be the if condition? If CH equal to A, or CH equal to E, or CH equal to I, or CH equal to E, right? So that way we will go with the entire system, right? That way we can go with the entire system, or you can go with like this. Can you see the switch case? What I said scanner input. I'm asking user, because this is been asked, prompt user to enter a character. So we are saying to user, please enter a character. We are taking a character variable ch, and we said input dot next. Dot next is going to be used for entire string, but it is character, so only the first character. So that's why we have written dot character at 0. 0th position means the first character. And that variable we have passed as an expression of switch, and we are saying that if the case is A, E, I, O, U, then we are going to write it's a vowel. So if I am not writing this here in each and every case, for all this case together, it will go here, right? And then I'm writing break. Otherwise, it's a consonant. Anything other than the capital and small A, E, I, O, U is the consonant. So this is your practical number 6. Is it clear? Another way is to use if else. So that I'm giving you as an exercise. Try out both the things. Try out both the ways. Okay. Next time when you'll come to the lab, you have to show me. You have to show me, right? If I run this program, this will check for both. This will check for vowel and consonant, right? So let me say that practical 6.java. As you see, it has been compiled. Now I'm running Java pract 6. Okay, and being asked enter a character small a. It says it is a vowel. And if I run and enter a capital A, it's a vowel. And if I enter anything other than the vowels, obviously it will be the consonant. Right? It's the consonant. Is it clear, guys? Code is clear? Right? We have taken a switch. We have taken an input. Next is used to take entire string as an input. But we want only single. So we said character dot character at 0. 0th position means the first character. And then we have passed that variable to switch. And then we have taken the case. So if I'm not writing the body, all cases will go to the last body. Okay. Fine. We can do this with the help of if else condition also. So that is up to you. I'm giving you as an homework. Do it. Next time you have to show me practical 6 in running condition. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the learning outcome? Today, what you learn? Anyone having any doubt or questions up till now? You learn how to display simple message. Right? That is your first practical. Then you learn how to write an expression, which was Cramer's equation to solve the given formula, right? And then you learn the meter into fit. Again, it was the formula. So you learn how to take input here, right? How to take input. And the last one, we have seen constant vowels and consonants. So that was about your if else program, or you can go with the switch case. We have seen with the switch case, you can implement with the switch case, sorry, if else, right? Okay, so this is the learning outcome for today's lab. This is lab batch
C.
okay. Okay, everyone, now you have to focus on the attendance. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, any doubt or technical query, you can raise a query now. Yes, you can run this program in other approach also, Savan. That's totally fine. I say it. You can go with the other way of solving the vowel.